Good day, children! Today we are now in third grading of English grade 3. Today we will learn about informational text. Are you ready? Did you know text or selections have different purposes? Some intend to inform or educate, while others aim to amuse or entertain. There are also texts that are used to persuade. Most of the materials that you have encountered or read aim to educate or inform. They are called informational texts. These texts are used to present information, details, or facts about a particular topic or subject matter. In this lesson, you are expected to identify and use the elements of an informational and factual text heard. Let us read the CALABARZON, truly amazing. CALABARZON, also known as Southern Tagalog, is considered as one of the largest regions in the country in terms of population. It is composed of 5 provinces, such as Cavite, Laguna, Batangas, Rizal, and Quezon. CALABARZON derived from the names of these 5 provinces. The famous Tagaytay City is located in Cavite. Batangas Province is the home to one of the most active volcanoes in the country, the Mount Taal. In Calamba, Laguna is the place where Dr. P. Rizal was born. Quezon Province is known for its colorful Pahiyas Festival. And Province of Rizal is the place which gave birth to various national artists. Truly, CALABARZON is an amazing place to visit and explore. The passage read a while ago, it provides lots of information or facts about CALABARZON. This passage is an example of informational text as it presents factual details about the topic. For the learning task number 1, match the descriptions in column A with the items being described in a column B. Write the letters of your answer in your notebook. For number 1, convinces a person to agree or certain issue. What is the correct answer? It is letter A, sequence, B, cause and effect, C, description, D, comparison and contrast, E, problem and solution, F, persuasion. The correct answer is letter F. For number 2, tells a problem and possible solution to it. What is the answer? The answer is letter E, problem and solution. For number 3, shows similarities and or differences between 2 or more items. What is the answer? The answer is letter D, comparison and contrast. For number 4, provides description for a person, place, thing, topic, and etc. What is the answer? The answer is letter C, description. For number 5, identifies the cause why something happens or happened and its possible effect or effects. What is the answer? The answer is letter B, cause and effect. For number 6, describes the order of things or events. What is the answer? The answer is letter A, sequence. What is informational text? Informational texts are present factual details or information about particular persons, places, things, events, and topics. These texts may also be written using varied purposes, such as to inform, educate, and even persuade. Informational texts have forms. The first one is sequence. Let us describe what is sequence. Sequence describes the things or event in their proper order. It is also tells the steps on how to do something. And what are the keywords for informational text for sequence? These are the keywords. First, second, next, then, before, after, finally, following, now, soon, and not long after. Those are the keywords for sequence. Forms, cause and effect. Let us describe. Cause and effect identifies why something happens or happened and its possible effect or effects. Here are the keywords for cause and effect. So, because, since, therefore, if then, this led to, reason why, as a result, consequently, may be due to, effect of, for this reason. Those are the keywords for cause and effect. For informational text form description, let us describe. What is description? Description describes a person, place, thing, event, and etc. It includes its features, characteristic, and example. And what are the keywords for description? Here are the keywords. For instance, such as to begin with, an example, characteristics, and to illustrate. Form, comparison, and contrast. Let us describe. Comparison and contrast present the similarities and differences between two or more persons, places, things, topics, and etc. And what are the keywords for comparison and contrast? Here are the keywords. Same as, similar, alike, as well as, not only, but also, both, instead of, either, or, on the other hand, different from, as opposed to. Those are the keywords for comparison and contrast. Form, problem and solution. Let us describe what is problem and solution. Problem and solution, it presents the problem and the possible solution or solutions to it. And what are the keywords? Here are the keywords. Questions is, dilemma is, the puzzle is, to solve this, one answer is, and one reason for the. Those are the keywords for problem and solution. And the last one is persuasion. Let us describe what is persuasion. It convinces a person to agree or believe on a certain issues or stand. Here are the keywords. Surely, it is certain, therefore, consequently, convinced, agree, and conclude. Those are the keywords for persuasion. For the learning task number 2, identify What type of informational text is used in each item? Select your answer for the choices below. Write your answers on your paper. Here are the choices. Letter A, description. Letter B, problem and solution. And letter C, comparison and contrast. Letter D, cause and effect. Letter E, sequence. And letter F, persuasion. For number 1, in planting flower seeds, get a pot and place soil in it. Next, put the flower seeds, then water regularly and expose it to appropriate amount of sunlight. What is the answer? For number 2, many pupils got sick due to the constantly changing weather. To solve this concern, the local health officials had checked the vital signs of the pupils. They also distributed medicines and vitamins. For number 3, we must act now. We have to save our environment, plant trees, conserve energy and water. We can do something, save Mother Earth. For number 4, Mount Taal is considered as the world's smallest volcano. It is also one of the most active volcanoes in the country. It is known as Volcano Island, situated at the center of Taal Lake. And for number 5, due to heavy rains, streets become flooded. What is the answer? And the last one, number 6, the last number in learning task number 2, Lukban and Tagaytay are both famous for their cold weather. Due to the cold weather, locals become successful in doing different agricultural activities. Lukban is located in Quezon Province, while Tagaytay City is in Cavite Province. And for the last activity in this lesson, in your notebook, complete the paragraph below. Select your answers from the given choices. Here are the choices: details, informational, and sequence. Blank text present factual information or blank about persons, places, events, and topics. This text may be used in presenting blank, description, comparison and contrast, problem and solution, cause and effect, and persuasion. Thank you, children, for watching and listening in this video. I know you have learned a lot. Please share your learnings to your classmates, friends, to your family or loved ones. Happy learnings! Goodbye! Thank you and God bless you. Please share and subscribe.